Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 8.4, fifth sum in that third subdivision problem. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus sin tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So first I am going to take the LHS tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Here we don't have any square. So first we have to simplify this one. And then only we can apply trigonometric identities. Clear? So now we have a positive sign here. This is the first term and this one is the second term. Draw the bracket like this, then only it will be clear for you. Now what is the LCM for this problem? 1 minus cot theta, then 1 minus tan theta. Before that, one formula we have for tan theta, no? Instead of tan theta, what we can apply? Tan theta is equal to, with respect to sine and cos, that sine theta divided by cos theta. We can apply this one, no? Next, cot theta. Instead of cot theta, what we can apply? Cos theta divided by sin theta. So this one only I am going to apply here. First, instead of tan, sin theta divided by cos theta, then 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Be careful with the sign, write properly, okay? Instead of cot theta, cos theta divided by sin theta. Then 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Then no need to simplify the numerator because it is in the simplest form, only sin theta divided by cos theta. But you have to simplify the denominator. You have to take a LCM and then bring it into the simplest form and then multiply this one with sin theta by cos theta. Clear? So keep the sin theta divided by cos theta as it is. And then take a LCM. So sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Clear? Then plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by, take a LCM, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Clear? And then now multiply this one with sin theta and cos theta. If we want to multiply, means how we have to write? We have to write with a reciprocal. We have to change the numerator and denominator. Sin theta divided by cos theta. I'm going to multiply. Then you have to write in the reverse. Sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Then plus cos theta divided by sin theta multiply cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Clear kana? So now here we can't cancel anything. Here we can't cancel anything. So I am going to multiply. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. And then plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Here we can apply the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can apply. But what we have here, Kana, here we have positive sign and the LCMs are different. LCMs are different. The denominators are different. Here we have cos theta and here we have sin theta. Here we have sin theta minus cos theta and here we have cos theta minus sin theta. The same thing only, but the difference is negative sign for cos here, negative sign for sin here. This I am going to change and I am going to take a LCM. This alone I am going to change. Okay. How I am going to change is, if I can take a negative means outside, if I take negative means, then what will be the remaining? This one became negative and this one became positive. So I am going to take a negative outside. Keep the first term as it is. Cos square theta, negative I am going to take, then sin theta minus cos theta. Take the negative outside, then it will become positive and this will become negative. So minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. We got the same question. Clear? So plus into minus is minus. Here we can change negative. You have to change negative. So sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM? Cos theta, sin theta, and here we have sin theta minus cos theta, and here also we have sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. So here what we don't have, compare with the LCM and tell. We have cos theta and we have sin theta minus cos theta. What is missing? Sin theta. So already here we have sin square theta, and if we multiply one more sign means sin cube theta. Clear? Minus here sin, we have sin and sin theta minus cos theta we have. We don't have cos theta. Already we have cos square theta. If we multiply with cos theta means what we will get? Cos cube theta. So we don't have formula for cos cube theta minus sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, no? But we have an algebraic formula. What formula we have? Can you remember? A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. We have this algebraic identity, no? That only I am going to substitute. Can you tell me the formula again? That A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B, then A square plus AB plus B square. This is the formula. That only I am going to apply. So what is A? That is sin theta. What is B? Cos theta. Clear? Apply here. Sin theta minus cos theta, that is A minus B, then sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus B square, that is cos square theta. Write the denominator as it is, that cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now we can cancel this two, no? Sin theta minus cos theta. Here also we have sin theta minus cos theta. That I am going to cancel. And then remaining, write the remaining thing, that sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta sin theta. We can combine this two, no? See this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Combine together, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So instead of this, we can apply 1 by using the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Still we don't get the answer. The answer we have to get is 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. We have in terms of secant theta and cosecant theta. Still we can simplify. How we can simplify means we can divide this one. 1 divided by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. That is 1 divided by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Separate this one. If we take a LCM means what we will get? 1 plus sin theta cos theta only we will get. So we can separate like this, and this one we can cancel that sin theta. Here also we have sin theta sin theta cos theta cos theta. So the remaining is 1 by cos theta sin theta plus 1. So we got 1. See here, see the question, we got 1. So but here we have secant theta cosecant theta, but here we have cos theta sin theta. How we will get the cosecant and secant here? Reciprocal formula, that cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta and secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We can apply the reciprocal formula. Clear? So 1 by cos, 1 by sin is what? 1 by cos theta to 1 by sin theta plus 1. 1 by cos is secant theta. 1 by sin is cosecant theta plus 1. That secant theta cosecant theta plus 1. What answer we have to get? That 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. We got RHS. This is very important problem. Simple formulas only we are applying to derive the RHS. Are you all clear, children? Thank you. Next, fourth subdivision problem. 1 plus secant A divided by secant A is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Hint, they have given in the question that simplify LHS and RHS separately. Like this also we can prove. We can take a LHS and we will get one answer. That same answer we have to get for RHS also. Clear, Kana? Now I am going to take first LHS. 1 plus secant A divided by secant A. Actually here we don't have any square at all. One thing only we can apply, that reciprocal formula only we can apply. That secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. This alone we can apply. Clear? 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Write it clearly. You can't simplify this one denominator, but we can simplify the numerator. We can simplify the numerator. Take LCM. Cos A plus 1 divided by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Now you have to divide. If you want to change into multiply means what we have to write reciprocal it. Okay, then cos A plus 1 divided by cos A into cos A divided by 1. Here we can cancel cos A, cos A. So the remaining is cos A plus 1 divided by 1. So the remaining is cos A plus 1. Mark this as equation 1. This is LHS answer. We can simplify more than this. So keep it as it is. Now we have to simplify the RHS and we have to get the same answer. Now RHS sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. This cos in simplest form only, so we can't change this one. But here we have sin square A square. We can apply one identity here. What identity we can apply? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 we can apply. But here we have only sin A. So you have to shift this cos to right hand side. Clear? Which formula? Sin theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is an identity and I want only sin square theta. So remaining thing you can shift to the right hand side. 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta I can substitute 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Here more than this we can't simplify anything. It is in the simplest form only, no? Cos A, cos A. But we can apply one trigonometry. We have to think to get answer. Be clear in that. Okay. So 1 minus cos square A. This one we can write with square. 1 square minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. A square minus B square. We can apply that identity. A square minus B square. The formula is A plus B, A minus B. This formula we can apply. What is the value of A here? That is 1. What is the value of B? Cos A. Clear kana? Now, so 1 plus cos A plus B, 1 minus cos A. That is A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. 1 minus cos A, that was in the denominator. So here we can cancel 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A. So the remaining is 1 plus cos A. Yes, we got the answer now. Cos A plus 1 and here 1 plus cos A. Mark this as 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Clear kana? Thank you.